I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable crypto withdrawals on the Binance app, follow these steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Binance app. Launch the Binance app on your device and log into your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Access account settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, enable two-factor authentication to FA if you haven't done so already. This adds an extra layer of security for your withdrawals. Step 4. Verify your identity. Complete the identity verification process if prompted. This may include uploading identification documents or verifying your phone number. Note, if you see a message about pending verification, it may take a few hours to process. Step 5. Enable withdrawals. Return to the account settings and find the withdrawal settings. Toggle the option to enable withdrawals for your account. Now you should be all set to withdraw your crypto on the Binance app. If you run into any issues, double check your security settings or reach out to customer support. Happy trading!